We used CCH Tagetik within our team because we had to move away from SAP BPC, so we had to choose for a new solution. We decided to go for CCH Tagetik because of the ease of use, the flexibility and the business-owned solution. So it's a real integrated solution for us, and we like it very much. Yeah, the impact of CCH Tagetik for our team is that we have now time for analysis, and we have more time to work on what we call the reporting 2.0, because it allows us to have a more in-depth view on our P&L. My favorite thing about CCH Tagetik is that it's of course a business-owned solution. What we like is also the analytical hub that it's within CCH Tagetik, because that allows us to enrich the financial data with operational data, and it has the possibility to better first talk to our business, and secondly also we can have a better forecasting and budgeting cycle, because we can use the operational data within the analytical hub to discuss with our business, and then we can see what it gives in the financial reporting. Then you have to look for a business-owned solution, because you have to maintain it yourself. That's the best advice that I can give, because if the business evolves, you have to also evolve with your financial department. And if you can maintain the CCH Tagetik, or if you can maintain your CPM yourself, then you can really evolve with the business, and you can use their thoughts or their changes to integrate it into your CPM.